At one point this morning, I found myself saying, "What's the point?"
I actually like your question. Very smart. That's a good question. What's the point? What are you doing it all for? What is the point of all of it? What are you working on? What do you want? That's a very good question. Did you answer it? What's the point of what you're doing? What is it for?
Put more good out in the world than I put out bad.
Yeah, but
Just for
what's
me.
it all for though? Is it for your kids? What's the point? Like,
Absolutely.
cool. What's the point? What am I doing this for? What am I going through this work for? What am I doing all this difficult change for? What's the point of all of it? What am I doing? Do you want to be a better dad? Do you want to be a good provider, a good lover? Do you want to be a good man, a good brother? The courage part of us is not asking the question, it's answering it.
Yeah.
That was doubt dressed up as a rhetorical. If you don't answer the question, it sounds negative, but if you answer the question, it's inspiring. Yeah, what is the point of setting an alarm for 4 a.m.? What's the point?
What did you just say? You just dropped something massive, and I'm trying to catch what you just threw down. You said, what did you just say 2 phrases ago?
The concept of it is we're really good at asking questions, but the courage comes from answering it. You ask a good question. It's doubt dressed up as a rhetorical. If you do not answer the question, it sounds negative. If you answer the question, it becomes inspirational. What's the
That,
fucking point? What's the fucking point of all this? What's the fucking point? Do you see my energy? Means I don't answer the question. I think the question's already answered because I had a cadence. I gave it energy. And so I didn't answer the question. And then if you leave it there, it makes it seem like the answer is there is no point, but you didn't answer the question. You left it unanswered, which meant there was no point. It's a fucking trick. It's a doubt trick. It offers you nothing at all, and it wants to take everything away from you. It's a doubt dressed up as a rhetorical question. But if you answer it, it becomes inspirational.
At one point this morning, I found myself saying, "What's the point?"